Hello and welcome back, everyone. Crypto Bren here. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up your crypto wallet, how to verify it, and how you can actually earn some free crypto during this process. So welcome to Crypto.com. There's multiple different wallets that you guys can use for different features, but Crypto.com is actually one of the best and fastest growing cryptocurrency application out there. The pros for this wallet: you can trade, store, buy, sell. You have a crypto card, crypto pay. It's an app, it's an exchange. You can invest, you can have some credit, and you can also earn here on this app. Has their own blockchain. It's an open source. App is available in 90 countries with 53 cryptos to buy at the best price. The exchange is very competitive fees. Crypto.com coin. It is CRO. Earn interest on crypto earn on many different assets: Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. Crypto collateral to send to get a loan on your crypto. Full control of your assets as you own your own keys as you're setting up your cryptocurrency wallet. Big certifications on security, store safely, credit card, your information. $360 million insurance coverage. COO is public on Twitter and does Zoom calls, answers questions. The team is very strong. 2 million users on the platform and growing around the globe. Only con that I've seen here, guys, is when you're sending your crypto over to the wallet, if you have Bitcoin or Ethereum and you're trying to send it over to Crypto.com, it doesn't show up immediately. It only shows up after the one confirmation, but that is a very, very low con. It's really not even a con in my opinion. But overall, I'm very impressed with this app. If whoever's bringing you to this video, if you're watching it on my YouTube channel, I do have a link down in the description below for you guys to be able to earn $50 worth of crypto. Here, I believe you're going to earn it of CRO, which is the Crypto.com coin. Okay. And you can convert that over to Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, but I believe you do have to stake in order to get those rewards. You have to stake some CRO. We'll go over that, how that works. Don't get too confused. I'll go over everything for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. If you clicked on my link, this is what should pop up. This is the referral side of the business. If you have other people, members that you want to be able to earn $25 now. I think they did change it. It could change later down the road. So if you do see that it's a lower amount or a higher amount, it is a possibility. Okay, so you get rewards by entering your email address. This is my referral code. If you want to earn that, just go ahead and enter your email. Crosswalk, so I got to click on every crosswalk, verify, and then submit. Congratulations, you're almost there. Download the app and complete your registration. So you need to get your phone and you need to scan this QR code. Just open up your camera, cover your camera on the QR code, and then you're going to see, once you scan this, it should pop up in the Internet Safari. Open it up and it'll take you to the App Store or Google Play. All you do is click on get or download. Once you download it, just click on open. It'll take you to the app. All you do is click on add referral code if you're using my referral code. My referral code is N5A2MTGV4T. You should get a response. Referral code is verified. Congratulations, referral code has been successfully verified. And just go ahead and click on sign up. Enter your email. And click continue. Then from there, you're just going to check your email for the confirmation link to continue. Go ahead and click on open mail. Then you should get an email from Crypto.com. Log into your Crypto.com app account, and then it'll say log in right here. Tap the link below to log in. Click Safari or Google Chrome. Open Cryptocom app, yes. And then your metal card, it's best cash back ever, up to 8% cash back on spending on your Crypto.com Visa card. Spotify, Netflix, and Amazon Prime, your everything and more. Pay with your card and we'll cover it. All right. And then Airbnb and Expedia, your travel and style. 10% back on selected travel websites, unlimited airport lounge access, full reimbursement on selected memberships. Something pretty cool that Crypto.com's doing. Your crypto made simple, the best place to buy and sell, pay with crypto, forget the banks, let's go. Enter your email address, accept the terms and conditions, press continue, enter your phone number, and it's going to give you a verification code. It'll email you, obviously, your referral code, get $25 USD. It'll show you exactly how to do that, okay? So send verification code, enter the code, and then your phone number has been verified. Thanks for joining us. We'd love to send you exclusive offers and new updates via email or in-app messages. We'll never send you information to third parties. You can opt in. If you want to push yes, awesome. If not, no worries. But this is the account opening. Government regulations require us to know more about you. Full legal name. Go ahead and enter your full legal name. It'll like to access your camera. Go ahead and press OK. Let it access. And then select the type of document you wish to scan. Driver's license. All right, then it needs to capture your face. So you need to make sure that your face is close up to the camera. Wipe off your camera, make sure that there's no scuff marks or anything on there. And go ahead and just put your face up there. Just press continue. Get close up to the camera, let it analyze it. It'll upload your documents, upload successful. And then from there, we will notify you once your verification is complete. Thank you. We will notify you once your verification is complete in 2 to 3 business days. We're experiencing high application volumes. It may take longer than usual to process your application. Okay, congratulations, guys. You have successfully downloaded the Crypto app, you verified your account, and now the next step is when you get verified, here to 2 to 3 days. It shouldn't take any longer than that, hopefully. But from there, I'll help you set up your wallet, link your credit card or your debit card, and how to purchase some CRO so you can stake, get the referral bonus. You just want to purchase crypto right off the bat and be able to hold some other coins. And I'll help you with step-by-step with that as well. So thank you guys for joining this video. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.